Drone warfare has significantly changed the landscape of modern military operations, offering new ways to conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeted attacks. This video delves into the progression of drone warfare and the innovative technologies designed to counteract these unmanned threats. Early use of drones in military operations. The use of drones in military operations can be traced back to World War I, where they were initially employed for reconnaissance missions and as target practice devices. These early unmanned aerial vehicles were rudimentary compared to today's standards, but they demonstrated the potential for remote-controlled flight in combat scenarios. During World War II, further advancements were made with the development of radio-controlled aircraft used for training anti-aircraft gunners. However, it wasn't until the latter half of the 20th century that drones began to play a more significant role in military operations, paving the way for the sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles we see today. The rise of armed drones. The rise of armed drones has fundamentally transformed modern warfare, shifting from their initial roles in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance to becoming formidable combat assets. Equipped with precision-guided munitions, these drones can conduct targeted strikes with minimal collateral damage, providing significant tactical advantages. The ability to engage high-value targets remotely has made armed drones indispensable in counterterrorism operations and asymmetric warfare, reducing the risk to human pilots and enabling prolonged missions in hostile environments. This evolution has not only enhanced military capabilities, but also posed new ethical, legal, and strategic challenges, necessitating the development of advanced counter-drone technologies to mitigate the growing threat from hostile unmanned aerial vehicles. Proliferation of drone technology. The proliferation of drone technology has dramatically altered the landscape of modern conflict, making unmanned aerial vehicles accessible to a wide range of actors, including state militaries, non-state groups, and private individuals. The decreased cost and increased availability of commercial drones have enabled adversaries to deploy unmanned aerial vehicles for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even offensive operations. Terrorist organizations and insurgent groups have adapted drone technology for improvised explosive devices and reconnaissance missions, complicating traditional defense strategies. This widespread availability of drones has escalated security concerns and highlighted the urgent need for effective counter-drone technologies to protect critical infrastructure and maintain airspace security in both military and civilian contexts. Counter-drone technologies. Counter-drone technologies have become essential in addressing the growing threat posed by the widespread use of drones in modern warfare and civilian contexts. These technologies encompass a variety of methods to detect, track, and neutralize rogue unmanned aerial vehicles. Detection systems such as advanced radar, radio frequency detectors, and acoustic sensors provide early warnings of incoming drones. Once detected, identification systems utilizing AI and machine learning distinguish between friendly, neutral, and hostile unmanned aerial vehicles. To neutralize threats, electronic warfare techniques like jamming and spoofing disrupt drone communications, while directed energy weapons and kinetic interceptors physically disable or destroy them. Additionally, drone capture technologies, such as net guns and net-carrying drones, safely retrieve drones for forensic analysis. As drone technology continues to evolve, the development and deployment of these counter-drone systems are crucial to maintaining security and operational effectiveness. Electronic countermeasures. Electronic countermeasures have become a critical component in the evolution of drone warfare, addressing the increasing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles. These technologies focus on disrupting and neutralizing the electronic systems that control drones, rendering them ineffective or forcing them to land. Techniques such as radio frequency jamming can block the communication signals between a drone and its operator, while GPS spoofing misguides the drone's navigation systems, leading it off course. More advanced methods include hacking into the drone's control systems to take over its operation or deliver malware to destabilize it. As drones become more prevalent in both military and civilian spheres, the development and deployment of sophisticated electronic countermeasures are essential for ensuring airspace security and countering the diverse range of threats posed by unmanned aerial vehicles. Directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons have emerged as a pivotal advancement in the evolution of drone warfare, providing a powerful and precise method for countering unmanned aerial vehicles. Utilizing focused energy in the form of lasers or microwave beams, directed energy weapons can incapacitate drones by overheating their electronic components, effectively neutralizing the threat without the need for traditional munitions. These weapons offer several advantages, including a virtually unlimited magazine, rapid targeting, and minimal collateral damage. As drone technology continues to evolve, directed energy weapons are becoming an increasingly vital part of the defense arsenal, ensuring a robust and adaptable response to the growing challenge of unmanned aerial vehicles threats. The integration of directed energy weapons into counter-drone strategies marks a significant leap forward in maintaining airspace security and safeguarding against the diverse capabilities of modern drones. Kinetic interceptors. Kinetic interceptors represent a crucial advancement in the evolution of drone warfare, providing a tangible method for physically neutralizing unmanned aerial vehicles. These interceptors operate by directly engaging and destroying or disabling drones through impact or other physical means. Technologies such as guided missiles, high-velocity projectiles, and even specially designed drones equipped with nets or ramming capabilities are employed to intercept and neutralize hostile unmanned aerial vehicles. The precision and reliability of kinetic interceptors make them an essential component of modern counter-drone systems, capable of addressing various threats from single-rogue drones to coordinated swarm attacks. As drone technology continues to advance, kinetic interceptors play a vital role in maintaining airspace security and ensuring the effectiveness of defensive measures against increasingly sophisticated aerial threats. Drone detection and surveillance systems. Drone detection and surveillance systems are at the forefront of the evolution of drone warfare, forming the first line of defense against the growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles. These systems employ a combination of advanced radar, acoustic sensors, optical cameras, and radio frequency analyzers to identify and track drones in real time. By integrating multiple detection methods, these systems can distinguish between drones and other aerial objects, ensuring accurate and reliable surveillance. Additionally, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning enhances the capability to predict drone behavior and assess potential threats. Effective drone detection and surveillance are crucial for timely and informed decision-making, enabling swift countermeasures and maintaining airspace security in both military and civilian contexts. As drone technology continues to evolve, so too must the sophistication and responsiveness of detection and surveillance systems to keep pace with emerging threats. Anti-drone nets and nets launchers. Anti-drone nets and net launchers have become innovative tools in the evolution of drone warfare, offering a non-lethal and effective method for neutralizing unmanned aerial vehicles. These systems use specially designed nets to entangle and capture drones, preventing them from completing their missions. Net launchers, which can be deployed from ground-based systems, handheld devices, or even other drones, fire nets that expand upon release to ensnare the targeted unmanned aerial vehicles. This method is particularly advantageous in urban environments or sensitive areas where minimizing collateral damage is essential. The simplicity and reliability of anti-drone nets and net launchers make them a valuable addition to the suite of counter-drone technologies, providing a versatile solution for both military and civilian applications. As drone threats continue to diversify, these capture systems offer an adaptable and immediate response to unauthorized unmanned aerial vehicles incursions, enhancing overall airspace security. That's all for today's video. If you found this video on the latest counter-drone technologies fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What counter-drone technology do you think is the most impressive? Stay tuned for more amazing content.